Back in Newark Penn Station now, set up aboard with like a train or two before I head home. And here comes a Amtrak Keystone to New York. Oh, it's Pennsylvania. No, the Silver Meteorite. President. Oh, it's an Arrow 3. Usually they don't run Arrow 3s on the weekends.
On track 2 has departed the station. Immediately behind it will be Amtrak's Acela Express 2256 to Boston. Please stand by on track number 2.
It's nice seeing Arrow 3 on a weekend. There was the